Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the place bounce text effect in CapCut for PC. Sorry, there are noises in my video. So for instance, I'm going to select the black screen and I'm going to add text, select the full text. Alright, change for the duration assembly. Change for the text. Can change for the font style. Right. Select the clip, right click and select create component clip. Go to effect and select trending effect and you can find the place bound effect, but it is the pro effect. So you can join for first to be able to use this effect. Click just for the option right here. And here we go. This is the final effect you have on the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.